Welcome to Fujifilm Business Innovations IT Expert Services, your trusted partner in IT support. Today, we proudly serve over 40,000 customers across Japan and the Asia-Pacific region, expertly managing their IT devices with precision and dedication. With IT Expert Services, enterprises gain access to skilled IT professionals, both remote and on-site, seamlessly integrating with your existing IT team to address all your IT support needs. Our journey starts with an assessment of your IT environment, where we gather essential IT device information to identify and catalog your hardware and software applications.
The assessment looks into your unique needs, ensuring that our solutions are well suited to support your business objectives.
As a key component of our service, we deploy our state-of-the-art monitoring agents across your IT endpoints to ensure continuous oversight and proactive management of your systems. Our advanced agents facilitate proactive monitoring, allowing us to identify and resolve potential issues before they disrupt your business operations.
Once the service is live, customer users can call or chat with us for all their IT-related issues or questions. Our remote help desk is ready to solve issues instantly, ensuring no downtime for your business. For more complex IT issues, our certified engineers are available for on-site visits, ensuring comprehensive support. Our robust team of over 3,000 skilled engineers, spread across 7 countries, is fully prepared to tackle complex challenges directly at our customers' sites. IT Expert Services provides a comprehensive monthly report complete with key recommendations, forming an integral part of our continuous improvement cycle. This ensures your IT environment is meticulously optimized for peak performance and efficiency. At Fujifilm, safeguarding our customers' data is our utmost priority, driven by our robust information security management system. Our help desk and network operating center are housed in a state-of-the-art facility, accessible exclusively to authorized IT personnel, ensuring the highest levels of security. Our dedicated team of IT engineers boasts certifications from industry leaders guaranteeing exceptional service and expertise at every level. We support your IT team to navigate compliance requirements, ensuring a smooth and harmonious integration that supports your goals. Experience the difference with Fujifilm's IT Expert Services. Contact us today to learn more about how we can support your IT needs.